Hi and welcome back. In this video, we will share information about earning points and rewards in Literacy Pro. In Literacy Pro, activities such as reading ebooks and taking quizzes help you to earn more points and progress in your reading journey. As you earn more points, you can unlock additional avatars to match your profile. New avatars are unlocked when you reach the required points. There are more than 60 different types of avatars available. To change avatars, select the new unlocked avatar, and click the Confirm button to proceed. If you don't want to change your avatar, click X to exit this page. Next, let's look at the reading goal. The default daily reading time is 20 minutes. Reading time is calculated based on how much time you spend reading books using the e-reader. You will achieve today's reading goal when you spend 20 minutes or more reading in Literacy Pro. You can earn medals through the monthly challenge, which starts on the first day of each month, and goes on until the end of the month. This includes Gold Medal, for ranking from the 1st to the 30th percentile. Silver Medal, for ranking from the 31st to the 60th percentile. Bronze Medal, for ranking from the 61st percentile onwards. As you complete different challenges and meet your goals, your achievements will be reflected on My Achievement wall. There are 5 achievement categories: Word Warrior, Reading Streak, Literacy Star, On Time Champion, Level Up Legend. Word Warrior. Earned for consistently reading and taking quizzes over the last 14 days. Reading Streak. Earned when you achieve the daily reading goals 5 times. Literacy Star. Earned when you score 80% or more in 5 assignments. On Time Champion. Earned when you complete all the work assigned by your teacher by the due date. Level Up Legend. Earned when you move up a level based on your Lexile measure. Trophy. This shows the total number of achievement rewards on your achievement wall. It is calculated by adding up all the achievement rewards across all categories. Each achievement category on your achievement wall has a number at the top right which indicates the number of times a reward has been won in that category. There is also a progress bar for each achievement category, which shows your current progress and how far you are from achieving a reward. Thank you for your time in watching this video. If you need more help or guidance on Scholastic Literacy Pro, reach out to your account manager or Scholastic customer service and we'll assist you further. Have a good day.